Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to my CAD Tutorials YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of AutoCAD 2025. This is the latest version of one of the most popular CAD software out there, and it's packed with new features and improvements that will make any architect, engineer, or designer excited. Whether you're already an AutoCAD user or thinking about getting started, this video is your ultimate guide to AutoCAD 2025. We'll cover everything from system requirements and key advantages to the newest features and release details. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the future of design with AutoCAD 2025. What is AutoCAD? Before we delve into what's new with AutoCAD 2025, let's start with a quick overview of what AutoCAD is. Developed by Autodesk, AutoCAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, and it's a powerhouse tool that has been the industry standard for decades. It allows users to create 2D and 3D designs and draftings with precision and ease. From architectural blueprints to mechanical engineering plans and even interior design layouts, AutoCAD is versatile enough to handle it all. It's a tool that professionals rely on for creating accurate, detailed drawings and models, making it indispensable in a wide range of industries. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to run AutoCAD 2025 smoothly. System requirements are crucial for ensuring that the software runs without a hitch. Here's what Autodesk recommends for AutoCAD 2025. Operating System. AutoCAD 2025 is compatible with the latest versions of Windows, specifically Windows 10 and Windows 11. Mac users aren't left out, as AutoCAD 2025 also supports the latest macOS versions. Processor. A multi-core processor is recommended. Ideally, you should have a 3+ GHz processor to take full advantage of AutoCAD's capabilities, especially for complex projects. Memory. RAM. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM to run AutoCAD 2025, but for better performance, particularly with larger files, 16 GB or more is highly recommended. Graphics card. For high-quality rendering and a smoother user experience, Autodesk recommends a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card with at least 4 GB of dedicated video memory. Disk space. AutoCAD 2025 requires a minimum of 10 GB of free disk space for installation. However, having additional space for project files and future updates is always a good idea. Display resolution. A full HD display, 1920x1080, is the minimum requirement, but for best results, a higher resolution display will give you more workspace and better clarity. Having the right hardware not only ensures that you can run AutoCAD 2025, but also helps you take full advantage of all its features, making your work more efficient and enjoyable. Why upgrade to AutoCAD 2025? Key advantages. So why should you consider upgrading to AutoCAD 2025? What makes it stand out from previous versions? Let's talk about the key advantages that come with this upgrade. Enhanced performance. One of the most significant improvements in AutoCAD 2025 is its performance. Autodesk has optimized the software to run faster, handle larger files, and reduce lag. This means smoother navigation, quicker load times, and a more efficient design process, even when working with complex models. Improved collaboration. AutoCAD 2025 is designed with collaboration in mind. The software features better cloud integration, allowing teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of their location. With features like shared views and real-time editing, teams can collaborate more effectively, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Advanced design tools. AutoCAD 2025 introduces a range of new tools that make designing easier and more precise. Features like smart blocks and parametric constraints give you more control over your designs, allowing for faster iterations and reducing repetitive tasks. Customizable interface. The user interface in AutoCAD 2025 is more customizable than ever. You can tailor the workspace to suit your needs, making it easier to find the tools you use most often. This level of customization enhances productivity and makes the software more user-friendly. Cutting-edge visualization. With AutoCAD 2025, you get a new rendering engine that delivers high-quality photorealistic images. This is perfect for presentations and helps in visualizing how your designs will look in the real world. In-depth. Look at new features. Alright, let's get into the new features that make AutoCAD 2025 a must-have for professionals. These features are designed to streamline workflows, enhance creativity, and improve collaboration. Smart Blocks. AutoCAD 2025 introduces Smart Blocks, a feature that allows blocks to behave intelligently. They adapt automatically based on the design context. For example, if you insert a door block into a wall, it will automatically adjust to fit the wall's thickness and orientation. This saves time and reduces errors, making your workflow more efficient. Parametric constraints. Parametric constraints allow you to define relationships between different elements of your design. If you change one element, related elements will adjust automatically. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining design consistency and making quick adjustments without having to manually update each part of the drawing. Enhanced Trace feature. The Trace feature in AutoCAD 2025 has been redesigned to make collaboration even easier. You can add feedback directly onto the drawing without altering the original file. This feature keeps a record of all changes and comments, making it easier to track modifications and communicate with team members. My Insights. My Insights is a new feature that provides personalized tips and tutorials based on how you use AutoCAD. It learns from your actions and suggests shortcuts or features that can help you work more efficiently. Think of it as having a personal assistant that helps you get the most out of AutoCAD 2025. Count feature improvements. The count feature in AutoCAD 2025 has been enhanced to allow for more complex counting tasks. You can now count blocks with attributes, nested blocks, and even blocks in specific areas. This makes it easier to keep track of quantities, which is especially useful in architectural and engineering projects. Floating drawing tabs. With floating drawing tabs, you can now open multiple drawings in separate windows. This feature allows you to compare designs side by side, transfer elements from one drawing to another, or work on multiple projects simultaneously without losing your place. Improved 3D modeling and visualization. AutoCAD 2025 brings enhanced 3D modeling capabilities with tools that make it easier to create complex shapes and surfaces. The new rendering engine provides realistic textures, dynamic lighting, and better shadow effects, giving your 3D models a more lifelike appearance. AutoCAD 2025 is not just about new features, it's about how these features can be applied in real-world scenarios. Let's take a look at how different industries can benefit from the latest version of AutoCAD. Architecture. For architects, AutoCAD 2025's advanced 2D drafting and 3D modeling tools make it easier to create detailed building plans and visualize them in 3D. The improved collaboration features also make it simpler to share designs with clients and contractors, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Engineering. Engineers can take advantage of AutoCAD 2025's precision and parametric constraints to design mechanical parts with exact specifications. The software's ability to handle complex assemblies and provide accurate measurements makes it an invaluable tool in the engineering field. Construction. In the construction industry, AutoCAD 2025 helps in creating detailed construction drawings and documentation. The enhanced counting feature allows for more accurate material estimations, which is crucial for project planning and budgeting. Interior design. Interior designers can use AutoCAD 2025's 3D modeling and rendering capabilities to create realistic room layouts. The ability to apply different materials and lighting effects helps designers present their ideas to clients more effectively, allowing for better decision-making. Urban planning. Urban planners can utilize AutoCAD 2025 for designing city layouts and infrastructure projects. The software's ability to handle large-scale projects and integrate GIS data makes it a powerful tool for planning and managing urban environments. When is AutoCAD 2025 being released? Release date and availability. By now, you're probably wondering when you can get your hands on AutoCAD 2025. The official release is set for the spring of 2024, with early access available to Autodesk subscription holders. Autodesk typically rolls out updates in stages, so keep an eye on their official website or subscribe to their newsletter for the latest announcements. You can purchase AutoCAD 2025 directly through Autodesk's website or from authorized resellers. If you're already a subscriber, you'll be able to download the latest version as soon as it's available, ensuring you're always working with the most up-to-date tools. Upgrading to AutoCAD 2025 is a straightforward process. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Log in to your Autodesk account. Head over to Autodesk's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Go to the product download section. Once logged in, navigate to the product download section. Here you'll find all the software available to you based on your subscription. Select AutoCAD 2025. Find AutoCAD 2025 in the list of available products and click on it. You'll see options for different versions, including Windows and macOS. Download and install. Click on the download button and follow the installation instructions. Make sure your system meets the requirements we discussed earlier to avoid any installation issues. Activate your software. Once installed, you'll need to activate AutoCAD 2025 using your Autodesk account credentials or product key. To help you get started with AutoCAD 2025, here are some tips. Explore the interface. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the new interface. Check out the toolbar, menu options, and customization settings. This will help you find the tools you need quickly. Use the help and tutorial features. AutoCAD 2025 comes with a range of built-in help features and tutorials. Take advantage of these resources to learn about new features and how to use them effectively. Customize your workspace. One of the best ways to improve your productivity is to customize your workspace. Arrange toolbars and panels to suit your workflow and save your preferred layout. Take advantage of My Insights. Pay attention to the My Insights feature. It can offer valuable tips and shortcuts based on your usage patterns, helping you become more efficient over time. Practice with sample projects. Autodesk provides sample projects that you can use to practice. These projects are great for exploring new features and seeing how they can be applied to real-world scenarios. Let's hear from some early adopters and users of AutoCAD 2025. Here's what they have to say. Architect. As an architect, the new features in AutoCAD 2025 have significantly improved my workflow. The smart blocks save me so much time, and the enhanced 3D modeling tools allow me to create more detailed visualizations for my clients. Mechanical engineer. The parametric constraints and improved performance make designing mechanical parts much easier. I can work on more complex assemblies without worrying about lag or errors, which is a huge plus. Interior designer. I love the new rendering engine in AutoCAD 2025. It makes my designs look so realistic, and my clients appreciate being able to see exactly how their spaces will look. These testimonials highlight just a few of the ways AutoCAD 2025 is making a difference in the daily lives of professionals across various industries. And there you have it. AutoCAD 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases from Autodesk yet. With its enhanced performance, innovative new features, and focus on collaboration, it's a tool that can take your design work to the next level. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or designer, AutoCAD 2025 has something to offer. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive overview of what to expect from AutoCAD 2025. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Got questions or thoughts about AutoCAD 2025? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your comments below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.